Okay, we are going to do a quick video here on how to install and use Metamask. So Metamask is a crypto wallet. I assume if you're here, you're looking to get started or just understand how to set it up in a browser. There's a couple different ways to use Metamask. The way I use it for really basic things is through the browser. You could also connect it to a hardware wallet. So today I'm just going to show you how to install MetaMask into a browser using the browser extension. And it can be installed, like right now I'm using Brave web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Opera, Safari, a lot of different browsers out there. So yeah, let's dig in. So first off, let's go to the MetaMask website. So do a quick Google search. You'll find MetaMask here. I'm just gonna click on the top one, MetaMask.io. Pretty simple stuff. Hit download, and it'll have you choose your browser. All right, so install MetaMask for Brave. You'll select yours, and then here you'll see from the Chrome Web Store. Let's say add Brave, add extension. Again, at this point, pretty simple stuff. All right, now it's been added. So what I definitely recommend doing here is once you have it added and right up here in this little puzzle piece is your extensions, I'd pin it because you're going to need to enter it and enter your password every once in a while. So it's good to have it up. All right, let's see here. Let's get started. So if this is not your first time installing MetaMask, you might have a secret recovery phrase. So maybe you change computers, maybe you're installing into a new browser. A lot of different options there. You can import a previously created wallet using your secret recovery phrase. We're going to start fresh. Let's just go ahead and create a wallet. Definitely take a look at some of this stuff. Here we go. Let's go ahead and then, create yourself a password. There we go. Read the terms of use. Check that you've read it. Hit create. That'll go through. It'll show you some information about how to secure your wallet. When you create it, you're more than welcome to go ahead and go through this this video. It explains what a recovery phrase is, how to save it, and should I share my secret recovery phrase. That one I would recommend never doing. In this particular case, you will see my phrase, but this is just a test wallet, so I don't plan on using it for anything except for this video. All right. So here's where the secret recovery phrase, you're going to need to write it down so that on the next screen you can enter it in. And I'm just going to hit this. And I'm gonna copy it for this particular purposes. And let's just create another window here. Boop-a-doop-a-doo. And I'm just gonna pop it up there so that I have it for the next one. All right, so now we confirm it. So this is why you would need to write it down. They just want to make sure you did what you said. Pond, window, Ragwa, crunch bundle garment. All right, crunch bundle garment. Add wolf shoe shop. Okay, add wolf shoe shop and B flip. I'll give you a B flip. Confirm. Congratulations, all done. And it'll take you to the web URL for your wallet. So you can see here clearly what assets you have in here. So it starts out with it is an Ethereum wallet, but the nice thing about it is you can add multiple networks to it, and then there's also an activity tab here to show you the transactions. Right up here is your wallet address. So if you wanted to send your wallet some crypto, maybe from an exchange or something of that nature, you would just go ahead and click on that and send it to that wallet address now, and you can see it gives you this Ethereum wallet address. Additionally, just do a quick walkthrough of all this stuff here. You can buy. There's some different connections here that allow you to buy Ethereum using a debit card. and you just click on these options here to do that. Send, pretty simple. You would enter in somebody else's address, and then you'd enter out how much Ethereum you want to send, and then you'd hit send, and it would cost you some gas to do that. All transactions cost a little bit of money, or of the underlying crypto. Swap also allows you to swap from one token to another. So in this case, it'll let you swap to Ethereum tokens, and when you click on it, you'll see here there's a bunch of different ones here. Magic Internet Money, things of that nature, and you can just swap through here. You would enter in your amount you want to swap. It'll tell you how much you're going to get for it, and then you hit review swap, and it'll tell you the details on how much gas it's going to cost you. Gas is like the fees that they're going to charge you in order to make the transaction happen. Next, there's a couple different options here. So view account on Etherscan. So if you go out to Etherscan, you can actually enter in anybody's address up in here and see the transactions and things that are happening from that address, which includes, like, if you came out here, entered in my address into Etherscan, you'd be able to see transactions and stuff that I've made. You won't see any because I'm not going to be using this particular address for anything, but there it is. Account details, those are just details on the account, and then connected sites. So when you go out to certain sites, you're going to be asked to connect the site and to your MetaMask, and that's why it helps to actually have MetaMask in your browser, because it'll be asked, it'll pop down an approval. And if I click up here on the extension, you'll notice that this looks exactly the same as this site, right? And that's because you don't have to go to the website in order to use this extension. It's nice that you can just use it from here. And I think that's pretty much the gist of it for just your basic and simple installing MetaMask, using it and having it ready to receive crypto from an exchange or from another person's wallet. And that's pretty much the basics. If you like what you see, please go ahead and please give us a like, maybe subscribe. I'm going to be putting out more how-to videos that get more and more complex and in-depth based on the crypto space and the things that I'm doing. And I appreciate it. All right, take it easy.